It's like raining. There's like a rainstorm supposed to come in New York.
Hi.
Hello, pickup please.
What's her name?
Ava. Oh, thank you so much. I am so excited for this. Classic mushroom pizza. This looks heavenly.
Okay, so here's my pizza review. Good thin crust, great. It's a little bit cold, which is fine, right? I don't like the cheese. The cheese is a little rubbery.
I like it.
But it's a thin crust, the mushrooms are great. Every time you get canned mushrooms, it's a big no-no for a pizza place, but they have fresh mushrooms. Very generous with the mushrooms as well.
We're about to start watching a movie and I'm gonna be masking. It's my favorite thing to do. Always go in with a mask while watching a movie. And this one is a hydrogel mask from Erno Laszlo. I've used it a couple of times already and I really like it. And it's black, so I'm gonna like scare some people up, but that is okay. And I usually save this one for flights because it's hydrogel. It doesn't get messy at all on your fingers. It's easy to apply. I can honestly apply this with my eyes closed. What movie are we watching? Holiday cards for our doorman right now, and you know, they've just done so much for us this year, especially with my packages. So here's a little gift of gratitude in these little cards, and we're gonna do some for our family and friends as well. Like around the corner, so we probably have to wait like 30 minutes, I feel like, don't you? It's time to wash my face now, and I'm excited because I just got this in the mail today. It's Farmacy's newest cleanser, literally untouched, so I'm going to try this. But their green clean is absolutely one of my favorite cleansers ever. This is actually the cherry limited edition one. I love this one. I wish they could make it permanent. It does have a little bit of fragrance if you do mind that, but personally I'm almost out of this. I love this one. So yeah, let's try this out. I've never done like a first impressions on YouTube. Let's see. Okay, so it's brand new. Let's whip this up. It's their oil-free foaming cleanser, which I feel like I don't use that many foaming cleansers because a lot of foaming cleansers tend to like strip my skin a little bit. I'm interested in this one. It also has papaya enzymes to kind of gently exfoliate your skin. Ooh, oh my god, this is not the texture that I was expecting. It's actually great. All the foaming cleansers I've tried before are like just pure white. I'm gonna start with my nose area to kind of start exfoliating that. Move that to my forehead. It actually smells really, really good. And you know what? Maybe I should have gone in with the green clean before I went in with this, but I just wanted to really truly test it firsthand to see how it is. And I'm just going to test out how good it is at removing my makeup. I'm massaging this in for a little bit of a minute now, and I'm going to wash this off. Actually, the cleansing experience was very, very pleasant. I feel like a lot of my makeup is gone just after one cleanse. So now I'm going to test it with micellar water just to see how good it was at removing my makeup. Except for my mascara and eye makeup. Let's see. It is clear. It's clear. Let me just check again. What? It's clear. I cannot believe that just did that in one cleanse. Holy shit. Wow. Okay, now I'm just going to kind of remove my eye makeup, but very impressed by this. Okay, Farmacy. All right, now that my face is super clean, I'm going to go with another cotton pad here and gently exfoliate my skin with a chemical one. So this is from Naturium. It's their glycolic acid reserving solution. It's got 8%, but I feel like it doesn't sting my face at all, even when it was like the first time me trying this. But this is very comparable to my Caudalie Vino Perfect in the sense that it does a really good job of kind of gently exfoliating my skin. And after using this, my skin the next morning just looks a lot more clear. So I only use this about like 3 times a week though. Okay, done. Okay, now today our task is to kind of, you know, change up this little area of our living room to make it a little bit more Christmassy because we really have nothing going on here. And we're not getting a Christmas tree this year, but still we wanted to get a little bit of decorations to get in the Christmas spirits and stuff. Currently we have this lovely bouquet, but I have another bouquet and some other plants coming today so we can replace that. So this is the before. So we just got these Christmas bouquet from Urbanstems. It's their Christmas collection. We should check it out. They have like such amazing ones. So we're gonna replace this one and then put this in the centerpiece to have some more red in the living room. That's the first change we're gonna do. Ta-da! We also got this tree. This is our Christmas tree for this year. So it's great for people who don't have that much space in their apartment. There, so we have a little 2 Christmas trees, and what's good about this is that it comes with a little light there. Turn it on, and bling bling, so cute. And we also got this little chain that I wanted to kind of put over somewhere. I'm not sure where exactly to put it. I was gonna maybe put it over like our mirror or something. I'm trying to untangle this first though. Yeah, it was actually pretty affordable, so I feel like we could reuse this every Christmas in different parts of the house wherever we see fit. Okay, let me untangle this first. Maybe I can put it up here. How does this look? Okay, not bad. So here's what we have so far. Some Christmas decorations, flowers, tree, pampas, and a little decor on the staircase. Did an amazing job again for dinner tonight. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe he made the steak with the sous vide that we got. Mashed potatoes and Brussels sprouts.